Okay, let us solve question number 2 now. If 3 cot A is 4, check whether one minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan squared A equals to cos squared A minus sin squared A are not. So let us draw a right angle triangle. Right angle at B. So we have given that 3 cot A equal to 4. So cot A equals to 4 by 3. So we already know that reciprocal of cot is tan. So this is our opposite and this is our adjacent and this is our hypotenuse. So opposite is how much? 3. Adjacent is how much? 4. So this is adjacent upon opposite, cot. Adjacent upon opposite. So now let us use Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AB is how much? 4. 4 square. BC is how much? 3 square. So this is AC square equals to 16 plus 9. So AC square equals to 25. So AC is how much? Root of 25, that is equal to 5. So now we have to find out tan. So tan A is equal to how much? This is nothing but opposite upon adjacent. So how much is opposite? 3. Adjacent is how much? 4. So first let us solve this. Then let us find out cos A and sin A also. It will be helpful to find out in this formula. So cos A adjacent upon hypotenuse. So we got our hypotenuse as 5, isn't it? AC. Okay. Adjacent upon hypotenuse. How much is adjacent? 4. Hypotenuse is 5. Now similarly we will find out sin A also. Opposite upon hypotenuse. Opposite is how much? 3. Hypotenuse is 5. Okay. Now let us solve this. Let us check whether 1 minus tan square A, tan square A. So that is equal to 1 minus 3 by 4 1 minus 9 by 16. Okay. This is equal to 1 minus 9 upon 16 divided by 1 plus 9 upon 16. So here LCM is 16. 16 minus 9. 16 plus 9. So it will be 7. 25 upon 16. So I will get it as 7 upon 25. Similarly, now I will check for cos squared A. This was my LHS, isn't it? Now I will check for RHS also. Cos squared A minus sin squared A. My cos A was 4 by 5. Sin A was 3 by 5. So 16 upon 25. So LHS is equal to RHS. 7 upon 25. Finished. One minus tan squared A upon 1 plus sin squared. We have proved. Okay. Exercise 8.2. Now later I will give you one important table. Trigonometric table. The values of sin A, cos A and tan A. Okay. I have a table here for angle A, 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. So now let us write for sin A. Sin 0 0, sin 30 half, sin 45 is 1 upon root 2, sin 60 is root 3 by 2, sin 90 is 1. Now for cos, so I want to give you one important trick behind this. Just remember this: sin 0 0, sin 30 half, sin 45 1 by root 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2, sin 91. Now come backwards. 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, half, 0. Now for tan A. For tan A is sin by cos. 0 by 1 is 0. So this is 1 by root 3. So this is 1. This is root 3. Infinity. Now if you want to find for cosec, secant and cot, just take the reciprocals. Just make it reverse. So just remember for sin A, cos A and tan A. It is enough. I suggest you, I advise you to remember only these three things. Automatically for cosecant you can just take the inverse of this. So cosecant A will be not defined, and this will be 2, this will be root 2, and this will be 2 by root 3, and this will be 1 only. Just you are going to take the, so I always suggest you to just remember these three. If you remember the first one only, 0, half, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. For cos A you can come from here 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, half and 0. So for cosecant, just you can write not defined 2, because already we know in reciprocal of sin is cosecant. So this is 1, 2 by root 3 and this is 1. Similarly for secant also same thing. Secant also same thing. So 1, 2 by root 3 root 2 to not defined. And for tan also it's the same thing. Cot, sorry. For cot, reciprocal of tan. So not defined, root 3, 1, 1 by root 3 and 0. So always I suggest you to remember only these three things. It will be easy for you. Remember only for sine, cos. If you just remember for sine, automatically you can write for cos. Like you come this side. 0, half, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1, and you come like this. 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, half, 0. Like that. You will just come this way. And for tan, you will divide 0 by 1, 0, 1 by 2 divide by root 3 by 2, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, get cancelling gives you 1, root 3 by 2 and half will give you root 3, 1 by 0 gives you infinity. So learn this table. I always suggest you to learn for sin A, cos A and tan. It will be easy for you to follow for others. Okay students, please subscribe, like and share my video among your friends. Thank you.